machine, as he's commonly called, second grade, no grade. He will be speaking to us as per his appointment by the Coalition of Democratic Change. He was just being appointed to steer the affairs of all cyclists, whether truck cyclists or motorcyclists in Liberia, or to make sure that all the cyclists nationally in Liberia goes for the CDC comes October 10th.
So here we are again on the national debate. A person appointed by the CDC in 2023 to ensure that all cyclists in the country, voted tricyclists or motorcyclists, his appointment had a mandate that all of the tricyclists and the motorcyclists were all supposed to vote for the CDC. Therefore, he was appointed National Vice Chair for motorcyclists. Today, he fronts himself as the leader of the motorcyclists in 2025, wanting the government to meet with him. No. For every union, the union comes together and elect their president. John Kenyon is the president of the Motorcyclists Union of the Republic of Liberia. There is no way a yellow machine appointed and he accepted as vice chair for the Motorcyclists CDC group can now present himself as the chairman of the Motorcyclists Union of the Republic of Liberia. Maybe he didn't think we were going to go and fish out the video. But yes, not only was he referred to as such, not only was he appointed, he himself accepted and announced it, as seen in the video right next to my shoulder.
Thanks go to His Excellency, President George Manewia, who are giving me this opportunity to serve as the head for all bike riders in this country.
Condemn the unethical and exclusive use of force by the Liberia Police. We, the cyclists, have been marginalized over the period by the government of Liberia to the Liberia National Police, headed by Colonel Greg.
First time in the history of this country for ordinary bike rider to be appointed on a national campaign team.
These are the issues in the national debate you will be talking about. Do you have any comments? If you do, let me know.
No comment, gentlemen. No comment today. No comment.
You can join us every Monday through Thursday from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. on ELBC FM 99.9, or you can find us on Facebook, LNTV Liberia Live, or you can go to the World Wide Web, elbc.com.